Hi everyone, it's Jonathan with Pest Ninja, and today in this video, I'm going to be explaining how and why ants invade homes. The reasons may actually surprise you, so let's get into it. The first reason ants invade homes is because they're in search of food and water. In every ant colony, there are worker ants called scatter ants. It's the scatter ants' job to find food and water. Once they find food or water, they secrete a pheromone as they travel back to the nest to let other ants know where to go. This is what is known as a pheromone trail. So if you see random ants roaming around your home, it's an indication that you actually have an active infestation or an ant colony is close by. The second reason ants invade homes is due to the weather conditions outside. Just like us, ants enjoy a comfortable environment to live in. So you'll typically get an ant infestation if it's hot and dry or cold and raining outside. The third reason ants invade homes is because you disrupted the ant's nest and caused it to relocate. This typically happens when you're landscaping, gardening, remodeling, or building a new home. How ants enter homes is actually very simple. They enter through gaps and cracks around the perimeter of the home. These can be gaps and cracks in the foundation, around window frames, underneath doors, in vent screens, etc. Now everyone has ants in their yard. You have ants in your yard, your neighbor has ants in their yard, everyone has ants in their yard. Contrary to popular wisdom, I actually don't recommend sealing gaps and cracks around the perimeter of your home to prevent ant infestations. The reason is, ants can fit through the tiniest of openings. Even if you seal all the obvious gaps and cracks, there's going to be gaps and cracks you're going to miss. And on top of that, ants can even get through the foundation vents, which you're not going to seal. In my professional opinion, it's a waste of time and effort. The best way to prevent ants from entering your home is to spray and granulate around the perimeter of your home. This will create a barrier that will kill the ants outside before they can enter. If you'd like to learn how to spray the perimeter of your home, then check out my do-it-yourself exterior pest control video. And if you're dealing with an active ant infestation, then check out my do-it-yourself guide on how to eliminate ants like a pro. All the links will be in the description. If you have any questions or requests for future videos, leave them in the comments. And if you found this video valuable, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell for more do-it-yourself videos just like this. I'll see you next time.